Yeah. No! Okay, here we go. You ready? All right, here we go. You going? You excited? You hyped? No one knows what we're doing. All right, everyone, we're here today. Good morning. Thank you for joining us. We're here to do your video ideas. The idea today, ready? Wax rail. We're gonna build it right now. We're gonna take you from this point, which is the start, to conceptualizing, to building, to skating. We might not be able to skate it today, but it may also solidify today because it's like -3 degrees in here. Here's my idea. I was thinking we make a frame around the rail, seal it, then fill it with wax. I have 10 pounds of paraffin wax that I bought. We fill it all, let it solidify, and then take the wood off, and then you will have a layer of wax on top of the rail. Rick is following. You're not following?
No.
You're reaching greatly.
I'm reaching greatly? We have heat guns, Rick. All right, Uzi, you go grab the rail. I will go grab the wax. Nigel, grab the heat guns. Ricky, we need plywood that'll fit on that rail. What? Are you doubting me already?
Yes.
Why?
Because for the 100% wax ledge.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna see how you go.
Okay, you can't build. You need a mold to build like a rail out of wax, but if you put inches of wax on top of the rail, it's the same exact purpose. You're still popping onto it like a rail, so whatever.
If you ever film a kickflip over a subway station, please film it good.
The positive thing about this as well is that when you're done with it, you just scrape the wax off and it's literally the most buttery rail ever. Look at all this. This ain't the cheap candle stuff. This is legit good wax. Good, solid, nice wax. Really good. Hey Nigel, what's going on through that nice face of yours?
I know it would work.
What?
I don't want to say it too loud because then we would have to do it.
Yes.
All they would have to do is put the two woods standing up and then drill two woods to keep it all together. It's very simple.
Yes.
We're just gonna let them do this. It's fine.
I still don't fully understand what you're gonna do.
I don't know either.
I feel like you got choices and you're yet to make any.
This is where the comment section just destroys us.
Very good. Very good. Is this where the comment section destroys us? This is where I destroy the comment section.
They're gonna say, this is not how you do it. This is.
You're gonna say this is wrong, but when it works, I don't care.
You need a man with a plan.
He's planning it out right now.
Have the rail up like this. How do you not understand the brilliance which is about to occur here? The hell?
I like the idea, but
Now. Yes. Yes.
What's going on? You're confusing me right now.
I'm confusing myself.
footage.
It don't always gotta look pretty, everyone. As long as it gets the job done, ain't that right, Rick?
Yeah. I think it's good.
What is your issue?
None.
I do not need your validation.
That's crazy.
What's crazy?
That you lined up your foot right next to the plywood, and in another dimension, you used a longer screw, and it just went through.
Yep.
That's exactly what happened in the other dimension. I just want to let the person who said make a wax rail, you caused unnecessary stress to Gabe Cruz. Next time people want us to do things, please make it and we skate it. I like that.
Any of you guys need a vert lesson right now? Because it's about to go down.
Gabe does. Take him.
Do you need a lesson with it? Do you need to go to camp with me for a week, Gabe?
You know, I will say this, backslash, I haven't even done it.
What's the worst thing that happened? Big backside air.
But I didn't slash. I don't
like
trust
2
that.
feet out.
I don't trust a slash.
You guys,
That would go hard.
I think we're ready. If you want to run that extension cord over here so we can hit the heat gun, I think we're good.
You proud?
Am I proud? I mean, That's a tough question to answer.
Gabe, I want to help
The real truth of this is that I'm slightly ashamed at how complicated this was to build. And in my mind, I was like, yeah, this is going to be a quick 20-minute build, and it turned out to be an extremely difficult endeavor.
You're not far off. It's actually 30 minutes.
But like I said earlier, if it works, I don't really care, and I'm going to be stoked. But I'm also going to be stoked anyways.
I want to offer you something.
Okay.
A free month of my course. I will help you.
What is it?
It's going to be called Man Month.
All right, let's just get to it.
Anyways, you weren't far off with your 20-minute build. To the person that asked this for this thing, I hope you literally are watching this video, because that's the saddest thing. When someone leaves a comment and does not watch the video that is dedicated to them. Oh yeah, dude, this feels great. It's melting. I've melted candy canes with this.
No, you haven't.
I have.
I
made
didn't
a
believe
candy cane box. This is before Ricky time.
Well, you don't like this?
There we go.
We're at 40 minutes.
All right. We're looking good.
Look at this action right here. You see that?
This is for the non-believers. This is for you. Look at that duct tape. It's not melting. It's not melting, Dan.
No, I said good job.
It's not melting. I think we're good.
All right, let this get dry now.
Yeah, I think we just let it dry. All right, so this is phase one. No, no.
Mowgli burned a hole in it. Fine.
Yeah, I think so. So first layer is done. We'll do a second and a third layer, and then I think that's good. We have a little bit of leakage. Other than that, we're good. Come on now. Come on now.
Did you burn the tape?
Yeah, Mowgli did.
That makes sense.
But hey, not too bad though, huh?
Did you put more wax right there?
I'm going to.
I was gonna say, just put wax there and let it dry, and then it should seal that
we're
whole
gonna do
thing.
a few layers.
All right, I'm doing a vert lesson. You want to come learn how to drop in?
No.
You sure?
Bye.
Hey, can you guys, don't even bug him in the comments. Bug him on Instagram. DM him. Gabe, drop in. Nigel will teach you. I'll hold his hand. I'll hold his hand.
Can you hold my hand anyway?
I literally will. I do it with all my students.
No,
I
just
drop
like
in.
not dropping in though, like just like.
Oh. Your hands are warm.
Yeah.
Hold up. What you doing? Hey, yo, come here. You can. Oh yeah, no, you're with me the whole
I
day.
just got out of the bathroom.
No, yep. Oh, you gotta use the bathroom.
No, I just got out of the bathroom.
I hate you.
All right, we are now going on to layer 3. That is the final layer that I had planned. What we're running into is basically I put the duct tape on the sides to keep it insulated and to keep it from leaking, which worked mostly, but now we're getting to the point where it's going above the duct tape, so I'm afraid that once it gets past that point, it's gonna leak. And truly, we don't really need too thick of a layer of wax on top, so I'm heating up the heat guns one last time right now. I have the final layer laid. Now we're gonna melt it, and luckily it is so cold in this warehouse that it is cooling the layers down so quickly that I think we can actually film this today. So I'm gonna melt this up, and then we should be able to just go for it. It could all break, and if it does, you know, I'll admit I was wrong.
If it breaks right here, Gabe crying ASMR for the rest of the video.
What the heck?
It's a fantastic idea, Dan. What is your prediction? Do you think it's gonna work? Because I'm stressing.
Well, what is there to stress about?
The inconsequential suffering of failure. Yeah, that side probably could have melted down a little more, but it's all right.
But isn't it?
Ow! I rolled my ankle.
Oh, here we go.
Come on. Yes.
Just pulled landscape.
Okay, here we go.
Do that thing up. What are you doing?
Starting to feel like Christmas.
It's filled with balls. Boba rail.
I'd say get your thumbnail in your few attempts.
You say few attempts, like, dude, what the hell?
Gabe Cruz, do your magic.
It's almost so bad that it's good.
I've never heard that one. I mean, just get the good thumbnail and let us do the rest.
You know, that's the most supportive thing you've ever said to me, Mo. I really appreciate that. Do you remember at the beginning of this video when I was completely confident that it would work?
Hey, Gabe.
I'm 100% proud of
Gabe.
my creation right now. Whether you guys are stoked or not. Just to really ensure you don't stick, Rick. You gotta, gotta. All right, so I'm gonna take a thumbnail of this and we're gonna get to it. And then I'm gonna switch to our extreme slow motion, 240 frame per second shooting mode. And we need to take a poll right now. What trick should we do?
50.
First of all, no 50-50.
Board slide? I think if you perfectly backboard right at the edge, there's a chance that only the edge will break off and the rest will be fine.
This is my official prediction, okay?
The skater always on. The skater lands on.
Oh, now we're...
They grip and the whole the whole rail just goes off the rail.
You know what this reminds me of, Dan? And you can cut this out, honestly, Dan, but this is like one of those. All right, let me get this thumbnail. I'm so, wow. I feel like I just gave birth. Like I am the one that gave birth to this. I'm proud.
I am the one.
Well, we truly have no idea why that didn't work. If you have any suggestions on how to make it better, let us know in those comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.